The Chinese distant water fishing fleet is the largest in the world, with thousands of vessels operating across every ocean, catching millions of tons of fish every year. But alongside this seafood supertrade, illegal activities and shocking human rights abuses run rampant and have been well documented by EJF in recent years. Now, we have followed this trail of destruction to the southwest Indian Ocean, a wildlife hotspot home to a rich variety of marine life, and to communities who have depended on the ocean for generations. For years, a long-standing narrative in the region has promoted the economic benefits of embracing Chinese investment in the fishing sector. But we've uncovered a darker story. Instead of mutual benefit and sustainable development, what's rising is a wave of illegality and abuse.
Saji sampai bahkan 4 saji dibunuh.
Kalau hiu tetap ditangkap, mereka ambil siripnya doang, badannya dibuang. Kayak gitu operasinya sih, semuanya kayak gitu.
With unique access to crew members' testimony and the footage they've gathered on their phones, our investigations reveal that this precious seascape is being stripped of its biodiversity by vessels that are simultaneously responsible for serious human rights abuses.
Ya kalau di kapal Cina nggak ada kata istirahat, langsung kerja terus sih.
Ikan banyak, kadang 22 jam sampai tidur cuma 4 jam.
Tiga kali sini capek dan kaget cuman kaget.
These abuses cast a shadow over the region's aims to legally and sustainably harness the ocean's wealth. To prevent this prosperity from being undermined by illegality and abuse, Southwest Indian Ocean nations must urgently improve fisheries transparency and sustainability, and put human rights and the long-term viability of marine resources ahead of short-term economic gain.